If you're looking to make a substantial income using only your smartphone, this is the perfect opportunity for you. Let me guide you through a step-by-step process on how to earn a considerable amount of money through your mobile phone. There's an incredible mobile app that pays you instantly, and you can download it for free on both Android and iOS. If you find yourself spending a lot of time on your phone, especially on social media, this strategy can turn your leisure time into a lucrative venture. Stick with me till the end so you don't miss any vital information. The app we're talking about is called Feature Points. It's a mobile application owned and operated by TapGenCore since 2012. This rewarding app allows you to earn points by downloading and completing online paid surveys. The best part is that you can redeem these points for a Visa gift card or PayPal money. The beauty of Feature Points is that you can increase your income from the comfort of your home without requiring any special skills to get started. Plus, joining the platform is completely free, making it a straightforward and accessible way to make money online. Feature Points provides a vast range of offers, including various payment options like PayPal and Amazon gift cards. It works on both Android and iOS devices, ensuring that almost everyone can take advantage of this opportunity. To earn points, you can choose from a variety of surveys and complete the tasks available on the offer wall. To get started, simply go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and search for Feature Points in the search bar. Once the app appears, click Install to download it to your smartphone. Once the installation is complete, open the app and you'll be presented with the option to sign up or log in. If you don't have an account, you can quickly sign up by providing some basic information such as your email address, first name, last name, and a password for your Feature Points account. Alternatively, you can use your existing Apple, Facebook, or Google account to join. After signing up, Feature Points offers various opportunities to make money, ranging from taking surveys to downloading apps. One of the most effective methods to earn points is by participating in paid surveys. By using a referral code during registration, you can earn 50 points right off the bat. Then you'll be prompted to choose your first reward, which you can change later if you wish. From there, you can start completing different tasks, such as installing apps, watching videos, and taking surveys. Before accessing surveys, you'll need to complete a brief About You section, which consists of just 4 simple questions about your date of birth, gender, country, and postcode. Upon completing this section, you'll receive 10 points. Feature Points has partnered with various marketing research organizations like Pollfish, Precision Sample, LAC, Say So Rewards, and Tap Research, which ensures a wide range of survey opportunities. Remember, Feature Points offers a convenient way to make money through your smartphone, and with a bit of time and effort, you can turn your free time into a profitable endeavor. So don't hesitate to give it a try and start earning extra income today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Let's get back to the video and explore more about this fantastic opportunity. By unlocking the Tap Research and Pollfish panels, you can access more survey questions and receive additional invitations, which is one of the most effective ways to earn Feature Points. However, it's worth noting that Tap Research surveys are sometimes brief, lasting 1 to 12 minutes, and may only reward fewer than 300 points. When signing up, keep this in mind. Once you answer the survey questions, the points will be credited to your Feature Points account. The availability of surveys varies based on your location, with some areas having numerous opportunities while others may have fewer. Nevertheless, the paid survey options on Feature Points are generally worthwhile and can boost your earnings. Another quick and easy method to earn money on Feature Points is by downloading apps. After logging in, you can view the available applications to download and use to earn money. To earn points from app downloads, you may need to do more than just install the app. Some apps might require specific actions, such as using the app for a certain period or reaching a particular level in a game. Depending on the app's requirements, you can complete tasks like defeating a tough boss in a game. Keep in mind that app downloads are only available for smartphones and tablets. The instructions for obtaining your reward can be found in the app's terms, and sometimes all that's required is to download and run the program for a short while. For bigger rewards, more effort may be necessary, but this can be an enjoyable way to discover and play new mobile games while getting paid for it. Moreover, Feature Points offers cashback on purchases from affiliated retailers like Adidas, Microsoft, Alibaba, Walmart, and more. Depending on the store and your purchases, you can receive cashback ranging from 0.5% to 27%. To earn the cash back, simply click the Shop Now link under Feature Points and make the purchase through the merchant's website. Once you've accumulated enough points on Feature Points, you can redeem them for various rewards, including cash via PayPal, Amazon gift cards, Starbucks gift cards, iTunes gift cards, and more. It's a platform with options suitable for everyone. To get started earning money quickly and easily, visit the Feature Points app. If you enjoy similar content, check out my other videos, and if you like what you see, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Feel free to comment below if you have any further questions. See you in the next video.